Experiment 10, gas laws. Make sure you have your lab report in front of you so you can follow along. I have a 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. I have a gas delivery apparatus. I have a eudiometer, which is just a tube with one end open and the other end closed. And here's how the three fit together. The reaction happens in the flask, and the gas product from the reaction travels through this tube and gets trapped into the eudiometer. My reactants are 30 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, 1 molar hydrochloric acid, and 0.072 grams of elemental magnesium. I also have a 1 liter beaker with about 700 milliliters of water in it and a digital thermometer. Here is the fully assembled apparatus. The eudiometer is completely full of water, and the hydrochloric acid is already in the flask. Two things you should know before we begin. The temperature of the water, which we'll record as room temperature, is 20.5 degrees Celsius. And the barometric pressure in the room is 30.11 inches of mercury. Now, you're going to need to convert this into millimeters of mercury, which is exactly the same thing as torr. I'm going to drop the magnesium into the flask and stopper it as quickly as I can. The eudiometer is now filled with gas. It looks like we have 69.2 milliliters. Here is the data from the trial we just did, as well as for 2 subsequent trials. Hopefully you found this video helpful in completing your lab report.